Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change ChatGPT voice. So to do that, let's head over to the ChatGPT. And in here, let's ask anything. So as you can see, it has given me the temperature. And if I just,
As of 11:10 p.m., the temperature in Gazipur is
As you
80
can-
degrees Fahrenheit.
as you can see, the voice is it. And if I want to change it, I'll head over to the top left and go to my profile. Now go to voice. Now go to the voice option.
Hello.
And
It's
here you
Hey, how's it
change
going? I'm looking forward to
that
working together.
down. And if I go back and now hear it again.
As of 11 to 10 p.m., the temperature in Gazipur is 80.
So yeah, this is it. This is how you can change your ChatGPT voice. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.